Yeah, bro, ain't no turbo car on the planet got people going like that.
Lady humps by the Black Eyed Peas. What you gonna do with all that junk inside my trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk off my lady hump, my lovely lady hump.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
Sounds like one of them NASCARs.
This does?
Yeah.
I'll take that. It's got a NASCAR motor in it. You saw their faces? Trying to go here. Trying to go here. Fuck around and find out, old man. Fuck around and find out. Fuck around and find out. He wanted it, too. He wanted it.
Make my mom shit herself.
Oh, come. She was hoping for the light to go green, wasn't she?
Oh God. Oh God. No. Oh God.
Outside, how we beefing ain't never been shot by. Block, but you step like a stop sign. You can't play the game if you ain't locked in. No, you not hating shit, bitch, nigga, stop lying. Beat his ass with this track till he stop trying. No, he remember that cop told him stop crying. Just don't play and you get stay off my line. Came a long way from hitting licks, look at baby, this is my time. And we stand with them sticks like a drum. Me and my niggas be out like a umpire.
No, that's enough!
Tengo muchos años de vivir sin dinero. Meto la mano a la bolsa y me encuentro un agujero. Pero tengo suerte de que soy un cumbiambero. No me falta baile ni los buenos compañeros.
Show them how to get down this lane.
Yeah, sure.
They sure do know how to burn a man down. We still got oil pressure though.
Yeah.
We're good. Everything's awesome. We didn't even need the nitrous.
No, I told you didn't.
Never know, you know. Just in case. I'll spray
What
them.
were you gonna do? Reach up and flip it on?
Yeah.
Which one is it? Oh.
Just in case you're feeling spicy. You're feeling spicy.
Oh, they racer fly by.
They rise or fly by us.
You work pretty good for a radial.
Radial, they don't care. Old Mustang, just doing Mustang things.
I've been 132 to the 8th on that road.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you shut it down? Stay the turn?
Yeah. I try not to show my ass out here. You know?
Right, right.
You foreigners, you're okay.
This is how dedicated your boy Jimmy Dale is to editing a video and getting it out. Billy filmed all this in slow-mo with no audio, and your boy over here is in the shower editing butt-ass naked, so you guys got something to watch. That is unmatched customer service. You don't get that anywhere else, folks. It's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for y'all.
How the fuck do you steer the hood?
Barely can. It's good. Lucky I'm tall.
Tires are rubbing pretty bad. Tires are rubbing pretty bad.
I know.
Yeah, dude. kind of shit you getting my brother into now?
Well, I've seen you guys stacking a bunch of weight in the back of the car, and I've got a solution. You just need a little bit more downforce. Not a lot, just a little. You know, you could run 300 pounds of ballast, or you can run this carbon little wing.
That may be just what we need to get the Falcon back in the winner's circle.
If he puts this little wing on and he wins next weekend, you guys can go to jimmydaleracing.com and get the little wing.
Where can I get one?
Yeah, I got you.
It needs a little wing or maybe like 300 more horsepower, one of the two.
Just a little wing. Well, you need to quit bogging out of the hole, but you know, Power Glide will fix that.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, that's cool too. Something like that, you think?
Yeah.
You think back here?
Yep.
Not up here.
No, absolutely.
Absolutely not. Like, here, Tommy, I'm gonna let you do it. That's all you gotta kill the super high quality.
I've been seeing all these cars lately with these wings, just like this. A little bigger, but they seem to be going around, so maybe this will help our program.
Make sure it's centered. You don't want to be. It'll mess any
drive
roll
the
bar
car.
up if it's not centered.
Drive the car one way or the other.
Yeah.
God, that thing is fucking huge. I can't believe we haven't done this yet. Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah, buddy. I got 2 more too, so. Well, I don't know if the Nova needs it. Nova looked like it was.
The Nova definitely needs it too.
It does?
Now I want a baby front splitter.
Oh yeah. I could probably.
Gotta keep the wheelies down now, because I mean this thing's gonna flip over backwards.
You're gonna be shocked that it actually will withstand 140, 150 mile an hour. No problem.
Put one of those in the dirt, it'll be ready for small
Jimmy, have you
tire.
ever went that fast?
So
Yeah.
No. Da-da! Da-na-na-na! Da-da! Da-da! Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Carbon Little Wing. Shoo-wee! Said he got tired of carrying around that 5,000. What the hell's he running over there?
He doesn't believe in picking up sticks.
It's just
dog toys, sticks,
small children, fireworks.
rabbits.
Yeah, rabbits. Billy said he got tired of hauling all that ballast around, all 5,000 pounds of it, so he went and got himself a little wing.
It should do the trick, man. I'm
It
really
should.
excited to see what it does this week.
Me too.
Test it.
You're gonna go put both cars in the winter circle next weekend.
that'll do.
And that's your little wing install video right there, folks. It's that easy.
That easy.
Thanks, baby.
We can roll it out later. When we get back.
Glory. It's been a great time in Ohio. Had a blast with the homies. Can't wait to come back. Maybe we'll come back in August for, I think it's called Uncaged. But we'll see. 16-hour drive home. Let's get it, dude.